Greetings, my friends. It's Mahdi. Create lifestyle freedom. Today's subject is build your own global wealth network. Building a global wealth network. So maybe we should take a step back and first, for the purposes of the conversation, so that everybody has a functional definition, right? A definition that we all can use here. Let's define a global wealth network. A global wealth network is a phenomenon of the 21st century. It is a global trend that we're seeing acted out on every continent, all over the globe. This whole phenomenon of the global wealth network is occurring. What is a global wealth network? Global wealth network, very simply, is a team of people or communities of people from different backgrounds, different skill sets that have come together and locked arms for basically two reasons. Number one, because they want complete mastery over their finances, complete mastery over how they generate cash flow weekly, how they accrue monthly income, and how they manage their financial affairs. That's number one, right? Complete mastery of their financial affairs. Number two is complete mastery over time. They want time freedom. So for those two reasons, complete mastery over their financial affairs and for time freedom, these people form communities, and they produce products and services that they believe are valuable to the marketplace, right? They produce products and services that they believe are valuable to the marketplace, and instead of turning into salesmen where they go out and they start peddling or marketing a number of different products and services, rather than do that, they form a very cohesive network online, and they invite people who want the same two things that they want to the network, right? They invite people to this network, an online global wealth network where people are aligned and locked arms for two reasons: complete mastery over their financial affairs and time freedom. And as people are attracted to the network, those people who are attracted to the network and attracted to this philosophy and these goals, these aims, they take ownership of one or more of the products and services being offered by this global wealth network, by this community, online community of people. As they take ownership of any one or more of these online products and services, of course, an income is generated, right? In the case of a service that is a monthly subscription, then a monthly residual income is generated as a new person coming into the network takes ownership of a subscription for that service, whatever that service is. If it is an informational product or any other kind of product that's a one-time product, then an income is generated when a new associate comes to the network, says, boy, there's a lot of value in that product. Let me purchase that. Let me invest in that for my own personal development, for my online skill set development, or for my income and business development, right? So when they take ownership of that product, an income is generated, and by whoever invited them to the network, an income is generated for that person. And that's how this community grows financially, right? It grows in number and it grows financially. The members grow in residual income and cash flow, right? And so here in that business model, you can see that income for any member is closely tied to the growth in the relationships that they bring to the network. So when you talk about building a global wealth network, it's nothing that you have to start on your own. There are several that are already ongoing, and all you have to do is look online for examples. For example, Create Lifestyle Freedom. is a global wealth network with a membership site and products and services that we offer to people who want to increase their personal development, leadership skills, mentorship skills, their online skill set development, how they market to a targeted audience online, and cash flow development, right? Generating cash flow residually by making offers for products and services that others find valuable, right? So Create Lifestyle Freedom is one example. There are several other examples. You just need to find an example of an online global wealth network. Empower Network is another one. Internet Lifestyle Network is another. Find an example of a global wealth network, embrace that community, and begin to attract people to that network. Embrace the tools and the products and services that are a part of that network. And as you do that, a couple of phenomenal things happen. Number one, the quality of your relationships, they grow exponentially, because you are going to be immersing yourself in a community of people who believe in the same the same values that you believe in, who aspire for the same elevation, spiritual elevation, mental elevation, skill set elevation that you do. And so a number of wonderful things happen, and all of those are related to abundance and increase. If you've gotten value from this and you want to learn more about creating or building, creating lifestyle freedom and building your own global wealth network, connect with us on our Facebook page, facebook.com/myfreedomnow. My name is Mahdi, and you know what we love to say: residual income is the door to wealth, and relationships are the keys that unlock that door. Now you, my friend, go out and share that with the world. We'll see you on the next video.